to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Heard that record on me like, oh, I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close, who could light this fire? So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, kakatapos ko lang i-unbox tong Imuto Taurus X2 Smart Power with 10,000 mAh battery capacity. So ang maganda dito sa Imuto is credit card size. It's compact design with digital, and it has two port, which is both are 2A 2 ampere or 5 volts, and for the input is micro USB. Then ano nga ba ang description nito? Unique smart digital display technology showing exact remaining power in digital format. And IM power technology, exclusive intelligent charging technology especially for iPhone, providing charging speed up to 200% compared to original charger. Automatically identifies charging devices, providing optimal current to charge faster and safer. Yun. So for the iPhone charging times, it's showing here na iPhone 8 3.7 times, for the iPad mini 4 1.4 times, and for the Galaxy S8 which will be 2.4 times, and for the LG G6 will be 2.2 times. And then ang battery na ginamit dito is lithium ion battery, not lithium polymer, so lithium ion. Okay, yun. Ang output pala nito, sorry, mali ako kanina. Output will be 2.1A. So, mabilis siya ng konti. Ang pinakamabilis is 3.1A. Normally, ginagamit siya ng power delivery or normally is type C. Ayan, 5A or 5 volts and 2.1A each. Ayun ang kagandahan dito, ayun yung output niya. And then ang input will be 5 volts or ang input niya is the same, 5 volts, 2.1A. So ayun yung input and output. Output will be 2.1A and input same, 2.1A. Compact size with the digital, and ito yung cable niya. Medyo mahaba siya and 500 meters siya, by the way. Hindi siya maikli. Ay, nakagandaan dito with, ang cable na to is micro USB 5 meter. Oh, sorry, 500 centimeter. So ngayon, testingin ko siya sa Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus ko kung fast charger ba o hindi. 100%. Unfortunately, hindi siya fast charging sa S8 Plus ko. Ang minimum requirements ng S8 Plus will be 2.4A, which is fast charging. Ito 2.1A lang to. Anyway, mas mabilis naman siya kaysa sa normal. Yeah, anyway, compact size naman siya. I-unboxing ko to later. Itong 20,000 mAh Imuto. Maliit siya pero mabigat. Anyway, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button below and read the description also. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you and have a nice day. Ciao!